Good morning, it's Joshua George. Well, it might be morning when you're watching this. I'm just recording this to help my team and everything. And if you get this and you're not on my team, well, I like helping people, so that's awesome. I'm just going to quickly run you through how to set up a canned response in Gmail. That's pretty much like a template for you to be able to, somebody emails you a question or follows up on one of your ads or something, then you're able just to click on the template that you want, that you've already set up, and then I always suggest giving it a little personalized touch. That way you don't seem inhuman, you don't seem insincere. It's always good to be sincere when you're emailing people. Even in business, people use canned responses all the time, but this is just kind of to speed it up, make it easy for you. So once you're logged in, just go up to this little settings button. You click on that. I went to settings, as you've seen, so settings right here. You're going to go over to add-ons, and then so add-ons is here. Click on advanced, and then most of the time it's going to be on disabled. So you click on click on enabled because it's on disabled, and you want the templates on there. You go down, you save changes, and then what you do is you come in here and you can write your email, whether you already have a pre-written email, whether you're using a swipe from somebody, put it in there. I'll just show you one of mine. So click on that one. So the subject that you have up there is going to be what you save it as is what it's going to turn into the subject. So this one is for one of my ads that I use, and see how I don't have a name in there? That's just in case I accidentally send it without adjusting it, and you wouldn't want to do that. Like, say you're sending it to Sally and you're like, "Hey John," that wouldn't look good. So you can adjust it from there. You can personalize it. You can send it just as it is. So how you save one of these is say, "Hey, this is my cool email. Talk soon, not coon, soon." So then you come down here, you click on. Sorry, let me just take a drink. I had the flu over Christmas time, and I'm still trying to get over the throat part of it. So you go save, draft as template, save as new template, and then you go, "Hey there." So save, and then I'll just show you what happens after that. So you go into compose, click on here, go to templates, and see, "Hey there." You click on that, and that's the subject. So if you're using numbers or something to number it, if you're using the same subject, make sure you delete that number before you send it, because it looks kind of funny if you're like, "Hey there 1" or "Hey there 2." That's not a really good sales tactic. I guess I didn't actually put my name under there. That's always good. And then, yeah, so that is how you set up a canned response or a template in your Gmail. I don't know if you can see this little guy right here, but there's my boy with his wild Saturday hair, and he's probably going to wave at the camera, or he's just going to look at me funny. But anyways, that is how you do that, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll be bringing more just to help you and help people, and I enjoy helping people, and the more people that can benefit from this, the better. So that is the end of this video, and I'll talk to you later.